Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today I will show you guys Rarity Sniper and how to use it. But before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out on any of these amazing opportunities and important news. So Rarity Sniper is a website where you can see and learn about nearly all NFT projects and collections. And let's start with our first feature. So when we click on NFT Collections, we can see how many collections there are in total. Right now, there are 1,518 collections. We can reach out to each project's Twitter, Discord, and all other social media, including their website. We can see the collection's floor price, its volume, release date, and blockchain. You can set a floor price range, total volume range, supply range, and you can change the blockchain. So for example, let's use Solana. So I chose Solana, and all the projects you see here is based on Solana. These are Solana NFTs. Our next feature is NFT Drops Calendar. It shows the collections that will be dropping on that day. So today is May 18 and we can see there were 11 drops on May 17. And if we scroll down, we can see there will be 41 drops that will be happening today. And when we scroll down a little more, we can see there will be 28 drops tomorrow. So you can use this feature to learn more about the upcoming projects, and maybe you will like some of them and you'll invest in them. So I definitely suggest you to use this website if you are an NFT enthusiast as I am. Up next, we have NFT news. You can read about the NFT world in general on a daily basis using this feature. You can learn nearly all about NFTs and the last developments, including NFT world. Next, we have NFT Stats. So here we can see different collections, floor prices, 7-day floors, volumes, sales, market cap, owners, and supply. As I said, this website is really useful if you are interested in NFTs. And you can have a look at the different projects, floor prices, volumes, 7-day volumes, and all that. On the new features tab, you can read and learn more about Rarity Sniper's latest collaborations. And our final feature is Get Listed. You can use this tab if you have an NFT project or a collection. Let's say you have an NFT project and you want people to know about your project. You can use this feature to contact with the Rarity Sniper, and you'll speak terms, and if you have a deal, Rarity Sniper will list your project on this website and people will be able to learn and read more about your project. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful for fellow NFT enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out on any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And also check out our Instagram and other social media accounts from the links in the description box below. We share very funny and educational stuff and breaking news on our social medias. You can find all the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.